Char Char. Hey Char Char, you feeling a little bit better? You feeling any better, Char Char? I've been giving Char Char a antibiotic for 1 week, and his tail is still bobbing slightly. What I was told by the vet is he may have had an infection, but the main problem may be a vitamin A deficiency. So I went and got him a vitamin A supplement, or a multivitamin supplement from PetSmart, and I just put it in his food for tonight, and we shall see if he makes any progress over the next week or so. The vet also told me that after the vitamin A supplement, we may have to treat him with an antibiotic again, because a vitamin A supplement, lack of a vitamin A, it prevents them from creating mucus in their esophagus, which causes for sores and like a dry throat, I guess, and prevents them from breathing correctly, and swallowing is painful, and can even give them sores in the mouth, and then those sores get infected, and that causes them to have an infection. So then after the vitamin A supplement, you would get an antibiotic to just to make sure everything else heals up good, I guess. So we shall see. Like you see, after a week of antibiotics for him, there is still bobbing, and it's kind of, if you can see, his tail is arched down a little bit more than it normally would be. It would be like straight, on an angle. So, I can tell, I have other ones, and I can tell that he is not right. So it's not something that I'm just imagining. It might not seem like he's bobbing too much right now, but he hasn't been flying around much either, so we shall see. So I'll update you in about a week on how the vitamin A supplement worked.